Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find General Settings. Then scroll down again and find Reset Options. And here we've got the option Reset Mobile Network Settings and separately Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to tap on this specific option and tap on Reset Settings. Here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so tap on Reset Settings. And here we've got the information that we just did it. And obviously it works the same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so just tap on the option, tap on Reset, and it has been done successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.